Hi, welcome to Bitcoin Studio 99. Hope you are well today. Today I am talking about free BTC Maker. In this website you can earn free Bitcoin. I will talk about how you can earn free Bitcoin and you can increase your level to silver or gold and you can earn more and more. So let's start. Okay, you will get the link in the description, and when you are clicking on the link you will be here in this page. First of all, you have to type your username, then type your email address, then password, then complete this captcha, then click on sign up. After this your account will be created, and let's go ahead. Okay, here I am on the dashboard. Here you can see I have balance this amount, and let me collect my hourly faucet. Let's see what I get. 1 IU. So I have typed my captcha. Here you can see my level is silver. I get 150 satoshi every hour, and now I am running double reward promotion, so I will get double. Here you can see double reward promotion. So if I click on that, I will get 300. Here you can see I got 300 satoshi. So after signing up, first of all, go to setting, then click on email verification. You will be given an email link to your email. Check it and verify your email, and then come back to faucet. Here you will get 10 bonus faucet. Just click on it and then collect it from here. You will get 500 to 1000 satoshi for free. So when you have over 5000 satoshi, you can try multiply game to level up. First of all, you will be on stone, then you have to be on iron, then bronze, then silver, then gold. Like this you have to move up. So to move up on last level you have to play multiply game. I will show you how to play multiply game on BTC Maker, and be careful, don't play multiply game with low balance. You have to have over 5000 satoshi. I recommend you to play multiply game when you have over 5000 satoshi on your balance. So when I have clicked on multiply game, here you can see there are multiple ways of multiply game. You can play with dice, slots, gems, mines, video poker. I recommend you to play on this only, so click on it. So take your bet 100, just 100. Don't increase it because you might lose all of your balance. So just click any. Here you can see I have lost 100, so again click on it. Again click on the blank box. Here you can see I have lost. If I lose 3 times, then I will increase it. Here you can see, then again click on it. Oh my god, I'm losing. So my balance is 75,000. I will take it to 76,000 in just 2 or 3 minutes. So wait a bit. Play like this. Here you can see I'm winning. I have triple it. Again lost. I'm tripling it. Again lost, tripling it. Wow, here you can see 76,709. I have played over 30,000 in just 1 minute. So you can earn like this, and don't increase it too much. Just try with 100. And here you can see I am on silver level, and if I complete 0.5 Bitcoin by playing multiply game, I will get to next level called gold. I will get 500 satoshi every hour. So like this you can get to next level. So I recommend you to do not play too much in this website. Play only 3 or 4 minutes every 3 or 4 hours. So just like this you will get to next level every 4 or 5. Even if you are losing, just stop playing and try next time after 3 or 4 hours. Just like this you will be able to reach to gold or silver level, and you will earn as me. And there are another way of earning free Bitcoin. So first you can refer your friends. Click on affiliates, you will get your referral link. Just copy it and share it to your social media and your friends. When they earn, you will get 50% and your earning will be here. Just you need to click on claim. After that it will be added to main balance and you can withdraw your balance. There is a problem that withdrawal fee is too high, 6000 satoshi. So I recommend you to withdraw when you have over 100,000 satoshi, so it will recover your transaction fees. And you can withdraw when you have a minimum of 0.0003 BTC. So I recommend you to withdraw after making a high amount. So thank you all guys. If you like my video, hit subscribe and stay with me.